At Aquatera, safety is a core value. It is our goal to minimize the exposure to the risks and hazards associated with our business. This is an orientation video for customers accessing the Aquatera bulk water stations. Aquatera is proud to offer our customers clean, safe, potable water from one of our convenient self-serve stations, accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Our bulk water stations are located at 12109 97th Avenue on the west side of Grand Prairie, 13405 97th Street on the north side of Grand Prairie, 10009 Elevator Road in Sexsmith, 711079 Range Road 73 in Dimsdale. Site safety. Follow all signage posted on site. While on site, hazards include, but are not limited to, high-pressure water, slippery conditions, and vehicle traffic. The recommended PPE includes a hard hat, safety boots, safety glasses, safety gloves, and safety vest or high-visibility clothing. Report all safety or service concerns by calling 780-882-7800. Use of the stations are at the user's own risk. Water hauling equipment and hose requirements. It is recommended that all water hauling containers should only be used for potable water. Please ensure that all hoses and connections are clean prior to connecting and filling. Customers are responsible to supply all required equipment, such as their own fill hose, PPE, and cam locks. The hose must be capable of withstanding 80 psi of pressure. Ensure the length of your hose is sufficient to reach from your vehicle to the cam lock adapter. A female cam lock end is required to draw water from a side discharge with a male cam lock fitting. An air gap should be maintained between the dispensing hose and tank being filled where possible. This air gap will help to prevent cross-contamination and backflow. Prohibited at Aquatera's bulk water stations. Use of reducers. Use of contaminated hoses. Washing, flushing, or dumping of vehicles. Loading through pumps. Anyone identified as misusing Aquatera's bulk water stations or its components may be prohibited from future use and required to pay for any repairs or costs associated with any damage. Prior to filling, shut off your vehicle's engine. Inspect hoses and connections and do not use if damage is detected. Signs of damage on the hose can include kinks, crushing, stretching, or blistering. Signs of damage on the connection can include obstructions, rusted, broken, or ill-fitting cam locks and connections. Always check hoses to ensure that they are clean and clear of debris that could block the flow of water and cause overpressurization of the system or an unbalanced connection. Operating procedure. Using clean hands and gloves, securely connect hose to tank and use the cam lock style fitting where possible. Ensure to secure both ends to prevent the hose from being disconnected or inadvertent movement such as back thrust under high volume flow. When using cam lock fittings, ensure they have appropriate rubber gaskets installed. Avoid standing in line with discharge outlet while filling. Use correct ergonomic practices. Be aware of your surroundings when operating. Ensure there are no distractions or obstacles in your area while filling. Never leave the hose unattended. Never point the hose at anyone or place objects or obstructions on the hose or over the connection. To fill, follow the prompts on the keypad. Select hose size. Enter your access number and press Enter. Enter your PIN and press Enter. Enter volume requested. Confirm that the hose is connected. Press the Start button to begin filling. Volume of water being dispensed is displayed on the screen. You can press the FP or Pause button to pause flow of water for 120 seconds and then press Enter for a receipt if paid by credit card. The flow can be stopped at any time by pressing the Stop button on the keypad. The valve may take 10 to 20 seconds to close. The water will stop automatically once the requested volume is reached. You can also press Enter here to request a receipt if paid by credit card. Please close and lock keypad door after use. There is also an emergency stop button that can be pushed to stop the valve and may take 10 to 20 seconds to close. If the emergency stop button is pushed, it must be pulled back out in order to reset. Calibration. Aquatera calibrates our bulk water stations annually and provide readings with a calibration accuracy of 97.7%. Accounts and payments. To purchase water at a station without an account, swipe your credit card using the PIN pad at the West Station PIN pad number 1 or Dimsdale Station. No cash or coins are accepted at the stations. Aquatera offers a prepaid self-serve system for our bulk water customers. To set up a bulk water account or log in into your existing account, visit www.aquatera.ca/services/bulk-water and click on the bulk water payment icon, or click the bill payment icon on the top right of the screen at www.aquatera.ca. Click the flow point icon and click to log in or apply for an account. You can also email accounts.receivable@aquatera.ca. Use the live chat feature on our website or call 780-830-7061 extension 1. For invoiced customers, information about frequency, due dates, and payment options are available from Aquatera. For prepay customers, you must maintain a balance in your account to purchase water. If usage is under 0.5 cubic meters, a minimum charge of $5 will be billed to your credit card. Resources: bulk water filling procedure, Alberta Health Services potable water requirements, water exchange manual, and how to set up a bulk water account video are available at www.aquatera.ca/services/bulk-water. For support with your account, or if you have any questions, please email accounts.receivable@aquatera.ca. Use the live chat feature on our website at www.aquatera.ca or call 780-830-7061 extension 1. Ensure that all safety or services concerns are reported by calling 780-882-7800. Thank you for watching the Aquatera Bulk Water Orientation video.